Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the Developer tab so VBA is accessible. This saves time. Once done, press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. That's the central workspace. Make sure the workbook is saved as XLSM to preserve macros, otherwise changes may be lost. You'll see the Project Explorer and Properties window. If they're hidden, use View Right Arrow Project Explorer and View Right Arrow Properties to show them. This gets you directly into the code environment without extra setup. Now focus on the Project Explorer to locate where code lives. Expand VBA Project, then open Modules, Sheet Objects, or this workbook. You double-click an item to load its code window on the right. This is where you read and edit routines. Use the immediate window for quick queries with Ctrl+G, and Ctrl+R toggles the Project Explorer if it's closed. Remember to step through with F8 to observe execution. This shows how the code runs and helps you understand. Finish by reviewing and cautiously editing. Set breakpoints with F9, then press F8 to step through code so you see how values change and why branches execute. Use the watch window to monitor variables and the immediate window to test small statements. After edits, run the macro to verify behavior and save a backup copy or export modules as files. If things go wrong, disable application. Enable events and turn off screen updating to isolate side effects before retracing your steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.